Hey second graders, today we are doing Module 7 and Lesson 1. So you are going to be practicing doing some graphing with pictures representing the number of items that you have for your graph. So I'm always going to check my key to see what picture I'm going to be drawing to represent my items, and sometimes we're going to have more than one item per picture. So if you look at the key here, it says 2 items per smiley face. So I know that 1 smiley face equals 2 of my fruits. So I'm going to start with strawberries, and I'm going to cross off my strawberries 2 at a time as I'm writing my smiley faces. So I cross off 2 strawberries, and then I draw 1 smiley face. Again. All right, and when I count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I know I have 10 strawberries. So now I'm going to go to oranges and do the same thing. I'm going to cross them off 2 at a time and then draw 1 smiley face. And when I count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I have 12 oranges. Now let's do grapes. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to count by 2s again. 2, 4, 6, 8 grapes. My next one is their favorite subject in school. So 1 student equals 1 star, so make sure to always check your key to know how many you have to draw. So 1 student equals 1 star, so 8 students said that art was their favorite subject, so I need to draw 8 stars. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Math, 10 students said that that was their favorite subject, so I know I need to draw 10 stars for math. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. My last one was science. 6 students said that science was their favorite subject, so I know I need to draw 6 stars. All right. The next one we need to label. So the next one is favorite candy. So I'm going to title my graph favorite candy. I know that this box needs to be the types of candy, and then underneath, that's what I'm going to write. Licorice, taffy, and gum. And over here, I'm going to write the number of friends. Because I know that that means the number of friends that said what candy was their favorite. And always, always check your key. I know that 1 triangle equals 2 friends, so I have to be extra careful when I'm counting because I'm going to count by 2s. So I'm going to start with licorice. I have 10 friends that said licorice was their favorite candy. So I'm going to count by 2s when I'm drawing my triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, my next one was taffy. I had 12 friends that said taffy was their favorite candy. So I'm going to be careful when I'm counting by 2s for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And my last one, 16 friends said that gum was their favorite candy. So I'm going to count by 2s again. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So always check your key so you know how many pictures per item. So be careful when you're counting by those 2s. My next one is favorite pet. So my title is going to be favorite pet. I see that my key says friends. So I'm going to write number of friends again. So I know how many friends said what pet was their favorite. Over here, I'm going to write pets because I know I have to write all of the pets below. So we have gerbil, dog, fish, and cat. All right, so I always check my key to see what I'm doing, so I know that 1x equals 2 friends, so I have to be careful when I'm counting by 2's. So my gerbil friends, 8 friends said that gerbil was their favorite. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 14 friends that said that dog was their favorite pet, so I'm going to count by 2's again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And second graders, count by 2's whichever way is easiest for you. So my next pet is fish, and 6 of my friends said that fish was their favorite pet. So I'm going to count by 2's again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My last pet is a cat. 10 of my friends said that cat was their favorite pet, so I'm going to count by 2's again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, my last one is favorite dessert, so I'm going to title it Favorite Dessert. My key says friends again, so I'm going to write number of friends, so I know how many friends said what for their dessert. Over here, I'm going to write dessert because I know that I'm going to have to write all of the desserts underneath. So I have donut, ice cream, cookie, and cake. And always check your key so you know what you're doing. So I see that my key says 2 friends per x again. So 1x equals 2 friends. So for donut, I have 12 friends said that their favorite dessert was donut. So I'm going to write 2 friends per x until we get to 12. So count by 2's and be careful. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. My next dessert is ice cream. 10 friends said ice cream for their favorite. So I'm going to count by 2's again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My next is cookie. 16 friends said that cookie was their favorite dessert, so I'm going to count by 2's and be extra careful. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. My last dessert is cake. So 8 friends said that cake was their favorite dessert, so I'm going to count by 2's again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, friends, I hope that this helps and good luck.